How to overlay picture-in-picture in CapCut Mobile. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to overlay a picture-in-picture mode in CapCut. Let's just go right into it. First thing first, all you have to do here is simply tap on your CapCut app. Then from here, you're going to go ahead and click on New Video. Once you have selected your video from here, you can just start playing it. And if you want to add a picture-in-picture like overlay, what you can do is go to overlay at the bottom, tap on it, tap on add overlay. Now you can select any picture you want from here. I'll just select this one, tap on add, and the picture will be added. So if you want to make it look like a picture-in-picture mode, you can just move it somewhere down below. And if you play the video, the picture will just stay there and you're good to go. If you want to make the picture a bit longer, just drag it out and you can adjust its length as well. That is pretty much it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.